Oh, hello guys! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to DIY hack your DNA. For this beginner's tutorial, you're gonna need your sibling's DNA and something called Crispr. Crispr is a gene editing system. It's all about removing the gene you don't want and replace it with the one you desire. For this experiment, I'm gonna be using my sister's DNA. She is the one who volunteered. Using Crispr, I'm going to be giving her a permanent pink hair color.
We need to follow 3 easy steps to edit any gene. Step number 1 is to find the target gene. Step number 2 is to cut that target gene. And step number 3, the best one, is to add the gene you want.
The first 2 steps are gonna be done by a protein included in this CRISPR system, which is called Cas9. Cas9 is like scissors, so it only has one job, which is cutting DNA.
But how will Cas9 know where to cut?
I will use dog and bone as an example to explain how Cas9 works more easily. When you throw the bone, the dog is going to chase it. Dog is Cas9 and bone is guide RNA. Guide RNA guides Cas9 where to cut. After Cas9 found and cut the brown hair color gene, we are free to add whatever hair color gene we want. But there's a problem. The cell repair system is on its way to fix the DNA into how it was.
So?
It means that we can't add the gene we want anymore. So here's what we're gonna do. While they're working, I'm gonna change the blueprint they're following for fixing the DNA with our own blueprint so that they build our own DNA. This is CRISPR. And imagine how many diseases can be cured with CRISPR. Oh, remember that experiment that I've done with my sister? It turned out that I've edited the wrong gene, and now she's bald.